Predictive analytics is becoming one of the biggest reasons companies are investing in cloud AI. Businesses now use AI to forecast sales, detect risks, predict customer behavior, and automate decisions way faster than before. So in this guide, I'll show you how to use cloud AI for predictive analytics in 2026. First, let's quickly understand what predictive analytics actually means. Basically, AI analyzes past and current data to predict future outcomes or trends. Next, choose a cloud AI platform that supports machine learning and analytics tools. Popular options include Google Cloud AI, Microsoft Azure AI, and Amazon Web Services. Now you need quality data. This is one of the most important steps, because AI predictions are only as good as the data you provide. Today, companies use cloud AI predictive analytics for inventory forecasting, financial planning, cybersecurity detection, healthcare analysis, marketing optimization, and a lot more. And that's your full guide on how to use cloud AI for predictive analytics in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clearer idea of how businesses turn data into smart predictions using AI and cloud technology.